If you think that you're going to skip a meal and save calories, think again. Because with so much years of experience, we have realized that when person is skipping meal, either he's not losing weight or he's putting on weight. Yes, you heard it right. Skipping meals breaks the metabolism of your body and thus the body thinks that you are going to starve. The calorie burning decreases. It's very important to eat little bit, at least if you're really too busy, than not eating at all. If you're thinking that vegetarians can eat a high protein diet, also remember that high protein diet might cause lot of flatulence, hard stools, which will cause constipation or also piles. So remember that you need to be very particular about which protein food suits you. First thing. Second, when you're eating a high protein food, also remember that the portion size what you're eating, if it exceeds that, excess is going to get converted to fat, be it carb or protein. So do not exceed the portion size even if it is a pulse or it is a roti. You have to see that your portion size should be applicable to your intake. Then third, protein foods also in the form of whey protein shakes or protein bars accompany high sugar. So always read the label, see the ingredients and accordingly select your protein options. I'm going to be dieting, I'm going to eat only salads. Is it? Also, if you're thinking that you're going to eat only salads, don't miss or don't underestimate the dressings. Okay, the dressings are loaded with sugar, loaded with fat. Now, if you're eating a feta cheese watermelon salad, yes, watermelon is very healthy, arugula leaves is very healthy, but the invisible factor which comes into your plate is too much of olive oil, which gives amazing flavor to the salad. So a little bit of olive oil is a must, little bit of seeds is a must, but if you think that salads are always healthy, don't underestimate it. It can be a very high cal meal which actually could be as good as your roti, sabzi, dal, chawal. I have done too much of liquid diet. I'm going to be really losing a lot of weight. But that one cheat day, you think that you deserve this cheat meal and you deserve this cheat day, it can ruin your whole week's effort. So think again, it's better to eat at reasonable amount every day rather than starving yourself throughout the 6 days and then binging on one day. It really doesn't help you, trust me. And thinking of having a sustainable weight loss, a sustainable lifestyle with this kind of system, it's a complete no. I have really ruined it the whole week. I am going to work out my best. I'm not going to have any rest day. I will work out all 7 days. Guys, remember that third pillar of fitness is rest. If you are not resting your muscles adequately, the recovery is not going to happen. And in the recovery phase, the muscles become better in quality. So a rest is a must. Also, when you're not resting, your body is under a stress mode. When the body is under the stress mode, the cortisol hormone or the stress hormone increases, which will lead to weight gain or which will not lead to weight loss in spite of your efforts. So don't forget to sleep good. If not sleep good, at least rest, not overdo your physical activity, which might cause a blunder in your weight loss plan. I'm going to give up everything. I'm going to give up my sweets, I'm going to give up my chocolate, I'm going to give up complete potato. It's my favorite food, but yes, I'm going to give up. If you're really thinking like that, dude, you're just going to have weight loss for the time being. You need to eat everything which you are craving for, but in small portions, so that when you start eating that, you don't binge. And at the same time, you are not going to say that, no, I'm dieting, I'm not going to eat. It shouldn't happen that way. You should be enjoying when your friends are out, you are out for dining, but choose smartly. You are not starving yourself, but you're not overeating. At the same time, you're not going to eat a kofta sabzi, but you're going to eat a kolhapuri sabzi. It's as simple as that. If you think that you're going to have nimbu sharbat, if you think you're going to have just fresh lime soda, or kill your hunger with drinking small cuttings of teas and coffees, think again, because you might not eat food, but you are increasing your acidity, You are increasing your empty calories, which is giving you no nutrition. At the same time, I'll tell you one secret. One glass of Limbu Sharbat is equal to one fulka. Can you believe it? A Gujarati fulka or a small size fulka is equal to one glass of Limbu Sharbat, which is more filling. Think again. There is B complex, there is fiber, and there is stomach which is full. And here it is just 20 minutes of feel good factor, and then again you are hungry. You guys have heard of trance music. Now today I am going to give you one more term that is called trance eating. When you are eating unknowingly, uncontrolled quantity, you are not realizing how much you are eating, what you are eating. Maybe it is emotional factors, maybe it is watching movies, but you are not hungry, but you want to eat and you are not realizing how much is going on and on and on. This is called trance eating. So really beware of this term. And in case if your friend is also doing it, give him this name. And trust me, it will work. This is something which I have tried on myself. I am a foodie. Yes, I am a foodie. Why? A nutritionist cannot be a foodie. I love my food. But at the same time, what I have realized is that something which I really like, if I eat that and I'm full but my mind is not full, what happens is I give myself 10 minutes break. In that 10 minutes, I realize that I'm not hungry anymore and I can control it. Try this hack for yourself as well. That your favorite food will be, you will feel like eating that more quantity, but once your body is giving you that little signal, give yourself a 5-minute break. Just go on a round and come back, or just call somebody and talk to that person. You will realize that you will be able to control the same food in a much better state rather than gobbling and eating your heart full rather than your stomach full. To know these kind of hacks and get more these kind of weight loss tips, follow us on our Instagram, that is neev.nutrition, or subscribe our YouTube channel.